Everyone, and welcome to break 3488 for the 2020 The Rookies Graded Prizm Football Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Monday, October 5th. It's 2020. It's 10:31 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:31 p.m. Central Time, and 7:31 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have T.I. Boy 9 spots, Mike with 1, T. Traho 2. We have MF 5, Lucky Dog 1, Key 4, Kenny 2, Hess 2, Robberman 1, and Spa with 5 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. T.I. Boy on top, Spa on the bottom once, twice. 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has MF on top, T.I. Boy on the bottom. MF, you have the Cardinals, T.I. Boy Falcons, MF Ravens, Spa Bills, Robberman Panthers, Hess with the Bears, Wire Kenny with the Bengals, T. Traho Browns, Key Cowboys Broncos, T. Traho with the Lions, T.I. Boy Packers Texans, MF Colts, T.I. Boy Jaguars, Hess with the Chiefs, Mike Raiders, Spa Chargers, MF Rams, T.I. Boy Dolphins Vikings, Lucky Dog Patriots, Spa Saints Giants, Kenny with the Jets, T.I. Boy Eagles, MF Steelers, Spa 49ers, Key Seahawks Buccaneers, T.I. Boy Titans, and the Washington Redskins. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Yeah, the Chiefs look good tonight. I think Atlanta looks, let's see, worse than the Packers do look good, but time will tell. All right, let's see what we have here. Empty. We have a PSA Gem Mint 10 rookie of Gardner Minshew II, Red Ice. Gem Mint 10 Minshew Mania, Jacksonville Jaguars. Good game yesterday against the Bengals. Here's the back. All right, sweet. Let's see who has the Jacksonville Jaguars. The Jacksonville Jaguars, T.I. Boy 4. Congrats on break 3488 for the 2020 The Rookies Graded Prizm card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J SportsCards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And right after that, we'll have break 3497 for the 2020 Hit Parade Platinum Football Edition. Thanks.